everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we shall be talking about application of virtual basic operations in Microsoft Excel, how to make some user forms, how to make some calculators and so on like that using Excel. So you can either do it using your VBA, that's virtual basic application, or using your Excel which has its own VBA in it. So now the first thing we're going to do on our desktop right now is to click on Excel. So you locate your Excel on your computer, or if you don't see it on your desktop, you just type Excel. For those who have it and you see it there, so just do now is click on our Excel. So now you click on our Excel, let's open. Then we go to what blank documents. Now this is our interface, our user interface. As you can see it here, everything here is a very interface. So now in your menu bar, that contains your file, home, inserts, draw, page layouts, formulas and all. You will go to developer. This is developer that I'm clicking here now. So now for those that don't have this, for those who don't see this, there was no problem. All you need to do is just head down to file section here. Then if you head out to find along these sections here, you should see something like options. Yeah, if you see options, but if you don't see option, you see more, just click on more. Then once you see more, you see this option here, you click on options again. Now when you click on option, you see all these dialogues here. All you need to do is just go to customize ribbon, then you check on this main tabs. Once you check on the main tab, this is it here. You will notice that this is how yours will look like if you don't see developer on the menu bar. All you need to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, you go to what? OK. Now once you press OK, you see your developer here. So that's how it is. So now we'll start now. Like I said before, click on developer. Then you can see virtual basic here. That's what we are doing. Or if instead you can just press Alt F11. Alt F11 will also bring this for us. Alt F11. You can see that. So now once we've done this, all we need to do is what? Go to insert, because it's what we are doing. So now like inserting user form. This is where we are going to design. The module is for what? For the codes. So you can expand this as much as you like. So today, let us try something. Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this to your classmates. And now once you press insert, let me explain this toolbox. Now this toolbox might not be here also. Supposing I don't see toolbox like this, I just see something like this. What do I have to do? Look for something like this that looks like hammer. This is the toolbox. Once you click on it, it comes here. So let me explain this. This is a selection tool. This is a label tool. This is a text box tool, your combo box tool. Now if you're using VBA, you might not see command button. You can use your combo box. Now you see list box tool, your checkbox. This one now is to make, like if you are making a multiple choice question, you can make this part of your code there. This is the option button, exactly for multiple choice also. This is toggle button, your frame, command button, tab strip, multi-page, scroll bar, spin button, image and web edit. It's just for making this thing works. So now let us start with our label. So supposing now we are trying to create a calculator. Let's say I'm trying to create a calculator. We'll name this, make this 3. Yeah, let's make it 3. And the third one. Now let us add some designs to this. We'll click on everything, change the back color so you can see the alignment. See, it's almost well aligned. Now when we are done with that, you look for a text box. Now it is going to be what you include inside. That's right. These are it's what we're going to include inside. No, sorry. The text box, another text box, and was another text box. Now see, it's already lava. It's already getting away. You reduce it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. Also share this tutorial with classmates that I need it for CSC. So now we are done here now. So before the anything, all we need to do is let's customize this tool. First of all, you come here, you go to caption. You can see I'm typing a caption. You change this to what? Number 1. Come here, see it changes. Go back to caption again, changes to what? Number 2. See it changes again. Go back to caption here, changes to what? Number 3. Now, oh sorry, number 3. Now you can see. Now let's click everything again. Let's change the text, how the text will look like. Now we go here, fonts. Now once you click on font, let's click on bold. Let's bolding it and let's put font size 9. You can see it here. Let's increase it again. Font size 10. It should be better this way. Now our font color, let's remain it here. Let's keep it at 8. Let's keep it at 8. Now this is it here. Now for this one, this is what the value of going to be placed inside. You can change the font color. Let's change the font color for this 3. Now we are done with it. This is going to be our results number 3. So this is what we are going to impute the value of this, then this will give us our answer. Now since I said we are making a calculator functions are what we call the additions, subtraction, multiplication, division. So now we're going to add those kind of stuff, and we're going to even add clear and exit to make sure it works well. So now what we do is locate our command button. When you locate a command button, this is it here. You make one command box here. Let's make like about 5 or so. Sorry. So if there are any questions, you will see them out in the comment section. I'll always be there to respond to them. Or you could text me on my WhatsApp number 0910 6767 5091. You could text me there for any questions. Now, since we have all this, let's change the font color. Come here. Let's make it highlights here. Do it again. Let's make it more bold and italic. So bold and update. Just 9. Now this one, we come here, go back to caption. We call this what? Add. We come here, we go to caption. We call it what? Stop. Let's make it capital letter. Very better. Let's change it back. Come back here, go back to caption, and you see MUT multiplication. Then come here, we change this word, div. We come here. Now let's make clear and exit. We say here should be what? Clear. And here should be what? Exit. Now let's customize this clear and exit button together. Now for the clear, I would love to make it the color. Let's say button text. Exactly. So it should be like this. Now with all this now, let us say you are done with the interface already. Now you should apply these codes to them to make sure that they are running very well. If I run this for you now, you see this is not running yet. Put our value 12, put our value 12, then press add. It's not going to run because why? We've not added anything yet. So now that is what we're going to do. So now if I tell you guys, this is what, in case I started this thing now, this is what we're calling text box 1, text box 2, and text box 3. Label 1, label 2, label 3. So now you know this command button 1, command button 2, command button 3, command button 4, 5, and 6. So that is what, be careful in mixing those things. So now we're trying to make addition. The command for addition Now, command for addition. What do you think is addition? Addition is like summing everything up, abi? So now it's not going to be the text box 3, that is that number 3 that I wrote there on the label, is equals to the value of text box 1 and the value of text box 2. What do I mean? So it's going to be like this. Coming. So it's going to be like this. Text box 3 dot text. So that's going to be like that. Is equals to what? The value of what? It's going to be equals to the value of text box 1 dot text. Yes. Then plus what? Just copy this one here. The value of text box 2 dot text. Now this is it. This text box 3 dot text is equal to the value of text box 1 dot text plus text box 2 dot text. Now, if I say let me run it to check how correct we are, just put 12 here. Put 12 here. It should give us what, 24, right? So that's the 24. That shows that we're very correct, right? Now, for the same thing with minus, without any guesses or tries, you know that the only thing we need to change here is what? The symbol. So now this is it here. See, when I told you command button 1 and command button 2, just paste this here. You just come straight here and change it to what? Minus. You can see this. Let's destroy it again. You can see that. So come back again. We go to multiplication. That's our text box 3. We still what? Do the same thing. You just press Shift 8. Let's go see our asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbol on the computer usually means what? Multiplication. Press multiplication. That's 144. Correct. Now, same thing how we did it before. Once this, we go to division. We paste it. Now for division, what we're going to do is using slash. Let's run again. 12 divide is 1. Correct. Now, if you have come to where you think you have a problem, you want to say, okay, how do we use clear and exit? Of course, using clear and exit is not going to be like, we're not using numbers, right? So what do we do? So it's going to be very simple. What we're just going to do is you click on this clear. Then once you click on clear, the thing you press is coming. So let's continue. So now once we reach that side, so what we're going to use is, since it's going to be of clear, we will just start with text box 1 dot text. Okay. Is equals to what? Same thing again. Just change the value. Now let's check it. It's going to give us the right. Yeah, it's correct. It's very correct. So it clears everything. Now let me explain why it's like this. So on the normal text box, 1 dot text is supposed to give us a figure, or let me say a number. But what we did, we put an empty value here with 2 asterisks and an empty value here that symbolizes nothing is there. So now for the last one, exit button. This one is very, very simple. All we need to write is just what? Unload me. Unload me. That will do it. Just press exit and it has unloaded you. So now guys, I think I'm able to do this well. So let me just cross check once again. So this is your label, your command buttons, and what your text button, you have your text bar or text box, and your command button. So let's run again. Let's input 12. This is going to be our answer. You can change this number 3 to what result. When we add it, give us 24, subtract 0, multiplication 144, division 1, we clear them and we exit. Alright guys, thanks for following this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also share to your classmates again. Once again, for any questions, like I said, just be in my comment section. And if you want to feel talk to me freely, just text my WhatsApp number 091 Thank you very much, guys.